we have a nice celluloid wrapped, appears to be chrome plated, made in Germany lift arm lighter. Has the compartment for the extra flint. Wasn't able to find any markings on it other than the made in Germany on the fill screw. It looks similar to some lighters I've seen on eBay that say are stamped Small Brothers, but I have no, just looks similar, that's all, as far as I know. Very clean. I don't know what it's made to look like, some kind of stone or marble maybe. But just a cheap old plastic wrap, but it's still in pretty good condition. And the lighter itself is in very good condition as well.